We live in the most connected time in history, yet millions are lonelier than ever. Now imagine turning that loneliness into meaningful connections and income. Introducing Timelii, the world's first social platform where your time becomes currency. Loneliness will not go away by sitting alone. It will go away by sharing time. According Meta-Gallup survey, 1 in 4 adults worldwide self-reported feeling very lonely. On the other hand, earning money requires high-quality education and robust skills. Timelii solve both problem in same time. With Timelii, users place auction everyday activities like coffee chat, city tour, watching movies, participate in a party and many more things. And others bid to reserve your time. Let's see how it works. Create profile, verify identity, place auction with time and date, received bids, accept bid and complete activity. Get paid, no special skills needed, just your presence is enough. Whether it's coffee, a movie, a tour, cooking, mentoring, program companion, host in-house, etc., your time has value. Timelii will generate revenue through proven models. Transaction fee, premium memberships, promote auctions, in-app advertising, ad removal fees. Combined total addressable market of dating apps, social network apps, gig workers, experienced economy. Now 145 lakh rupees crore. Timelii expect only 0.1% of TAM in next 5 years from Gen Z, travelers, retirees, digital nomads, lonely city dwellers, politicians, celebrities. Let's look out our USP. World's first auction bidding model to share time. No specific skills required to earn. Monetize your hobbies and interests. No follower pressure. Start earning from day one. Real-world connections, not just virtual chats. Verified users only, safe and secure interactions. Timelii has a strong market fit potential because nowadays, people want real-world connections not just in phone, but don't have a good way to find or organize them. There's no platform that lets people auction their time for non-dating companionship activities. People want to pay for moments, increase number of solo travel, remote work, alone working professional and digital nomads, time-based services. There is no direct competitor combining time auctions, monetization, one-to-one companionship activities, real-world connections. But we consider Facebook, rentafriend.com, Airbnb experiences, Couchsurfing, Meetup, Tinder, Upwork, Urban Company itself an indirect competitor. We envision a world where time is a currency. Timelii empowers people to monetize their hobbies. Timelii helps people feel less alone. Not by posts and chat, but in real world. Empowers them to earn, grow, and be valued for simply being present. Timelii envision building a new economy of trust and time. There is no space of loneliness and isolation.